BIM would be in next 5 years?
How do I see BIM will be in 5 years? I think it won't even be called BIM, you know? I think this name will disappear and will be considered just construction and construction as it is and designing as it is. I don't see it BIM as something that will be so effective that it will become invisible, you know?
Yeah, true.
Like credit cards. You don't even think of credit card as something like cutting edge technology. You just use it all the time as if it's money. And the same thing, it would work with BIM. It will just disappear.